Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a Lego Porsche 911 RSR Easy Guide. Begin by sorting parts and clearing a stable workspace, then follow step sequences calmly and double-check connection points as you go. Use gentle pressure for clips and studs to avoid stress marks, and keep subassemblies together with sticky notes for easy tracking. Stay patient, enjoy the process, and take short breaks between complex steps to maintain focus and accuracy. In this video, I will show how to build a Lego Porsche 911 RSR Easy Guide. Focus on the chassis first, aligning axles and confirming wheel clearance, then build the engine subassembly on a separate tray to test fit. Reinforce load bearing areas with extra plates and check for symmetry on both sides before merging sections. Keep small tools handy and work methodically to avoid backtracking and save time overall while preserving model integrity. In this video, I will show how to build a Lego Porsche 911 RSR Easy Guide. Fit body panels from the center outward to keep lines straight, and apply decals with a slow, steady hand on flat surfaces first. Add delicate details like mirrors and spoilers after major sections are secure, and verify door and hood clearances as you go. Take photos of each step if you want to disassemble later, and enjoy customizing paintwork or livery choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.